Today, we're diving into a topic that concerns a lot of us: the big belly, or that stubborn belly fat that just won't go away. If you've noticed your belly becoming more pronounced, or maybe you're struggling with a potbelly, you're not alone. A larger belly can stem from a mix of lifestyle choices, diet habits, stress, and sometimes even hidden health issues. But it's more than just a cosmetic concern. Belly fat can signal potential health risks that are important to address. So, let's explore what causes it, what it might mean for your health, and most importantly, some effective ways to tackle it for a healthier, happier you. Stay tuned. 1. Poor diet choices. One of the primary causes of a big belly is poor dietary habits, especially the consumption of processed and high-calorie foods. Diets rich in sugars, refined carbohydrates, unhealthy fats, and excessive salt can contribute to the accumulation of abdominal fat. When a person consumes more calories than their body needs, the excess calories are stored as fat, often around the belly area. Highly processed foods, such as sugary drinks, fast food, and snacks, are especially problematic. These foods tend to be low in nutritional value but high in calories, leading to weight gain. Additionally, foods high in refined sugars and starches cause blood sugar levels to spike and then crash, promoting fat storage, especially around the waist. To address this cause, it is crucial to make healthier food choices. Replacing processed foods with whole, nutrient-dense options such as vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and lean proteins can help reduce belly fat. Additionally, avoiding sugary beverages and snacks can significantly lower the risk of abdominal weight gain. 2. Lack of physical activity. A sedentary lifestyle is another significant factor contributing to a large belly. Physical inactivity slows down metabolism, making it harder for the body to burn calories efficiently. When a person is not active, they tend to accumulate fat, especially around the abdominal area. In addition to weight gain, a lack of exercise can lead to muscle weakness and poor posture, both of which can make the belly appear larger. Regular physical activity such as walking, jogging, cycling, and strength training helps burn calories, boost metabolism, and reduce abdominal fat. Engaging in at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week can significantly help reduce the size of the belly and improve overall health. Strength training, in particular, helps build muscle mass, which burns more calories even at rest, further aiding in fat reduction. 3. Stress and cortisol levels. Chronic stress is another major contributor to the development of a big belly. When the body is under stress, it produces the hormone cortisol, which is often referred to as the stress hormone. Elevated cortisol levels are linked to an increase in abdominal fat, as the hormone encourages the body to store fat in the belly region. Over time, high cortisol levels can lead to weight gain around the midsection, particularly in individuals who experience stress frequently or for extended periods. Managing stress through relaxation techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, yoga, and mindfulness can help lower cortisol levels. Incorporating stress-reducing activities into daily life can significantly contribute to a flatter stomach and improved emotional well-being. Adequate sleep is also essential for stress management, as poor sleep can further elevate cortisol levels, making it even more difficult to lose belly fat. 4. Hormonal changes. Hormonal fluctuations, particularly in women, can also lead to the accumulation of abdominal fat. As women age and go through menopause, their estrogen levels decrease, which can cause fat to be redistributed to the abdomen. This shift in fat distribution often results in a larger belly and a more apple-shaped body. Similarly, imbalances in other hormones, such as insulin, thyroid hormones, and leptin, can also affect fat storage, leading to an increased belly size. In men, a decrease in testosterone levels can lead to a higher accumulation of belly fat. The hormonal changes associated with aging can cause fat to shift to the abdomen, even in men who had a lean physique earlier in life. While hormone imbalances are often unavoidable, there are ways to manage their effects. Maintaining a balanced diet, regular exercise, and managing stress levels can help regulate hormones and reduce belly fat. For some individuals, hormone replacement therapy, HRT, may be an option, but it is important to consult with a healthcare provider before pursuing this treatment. 5. Genetics. Genetics plays a significant role in how and where fat is stored in the body. Some people are genetically predisposed to store fat around their abdominal area, making it more challenging to reduce belly fat. While you can't change your genetic makeup, you can still take steps to manage your weight and improve your overall health. Maintaining a healthy diet, staying active, and focusing on strength training can help reduce the amount of belly fat, even in individuals with a genetic tendency to store fat in the abdomen. By adopting a healthy lifestyle, it is possible to minimize the impact of genetic predispositions. 6. Poor gut health. Gut health is a crucial factor in overall well-being and can have a direct impact on belly size. An imbalance in the gut microbiome, which consists of the bacteria living in the digestive system, can contribute to bloating, gas, and an enlarged belly. An unhealthy gut can lead to digestive issues such as constipation, which causes the stomach to appear swollen and bloated. One of the most common gut issues that contribute to a big belly is small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, SIBO. SIBO occurs when there is an overgrowth of bacteria in the small intestine, leading to excessive fermentation of food. This can cause bloating, abdominal discomfort, and weight gain, particularly around the belly. To improve gut health, it is essential to eat a diet rich in fiber, prebiotics, and probiotics. Fiber-rich foods such as vegetables, fruits, and whole grains promote healthy digestion, while probiotics, found in foods like yogurt, kefir, and fermented foods, help restore balance to the gut microbiome. Avoiding processed foods and foods that trigger digestive issues can also improve gut health and reduce bloating and abdominal fat. 7. Alcohol consumption. Excessive alcohol consumption is another factor that can contribute to a big belly. Alcoholic drinks, particularly beer, are high in calories and often referred to as empty calories because they provide little nutritional value. Additionally, alcohol can disrupt the body's ability to burn fat and can lead to increased fat storage, especially in the abdominal area. This is often referred to as beer belly. To reduce the risk of a big belly caused by alcohol, it is important to limit alcohol intake. Reducing or eliminating alcohol from your diet can significantly reduce the accumulation of abdominal fat and improve overall health. And that's a wrap. We hope this video helped you understand more about the causes of belly fat and gave you some practical tips for addressing it. Remember, a healthy lifestyle isn't just about looking good. It's about feeling great and taking care of your body from the inside out. So, whether you're tweaking your diet, getting more active, or managing stress, every little step counts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with others who might benefit, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.